Since it is so cold in the garage today, I came inside to get warmed up and I decided I'm going to do a caricature. Now, if I had a queue of people that I was going to do a caricature of, Matt Cremona has been in it the longest. I've been intending to do a caricature of Matt because I really like his work. He's very exacting, does beautiful things, makes beautiful furniture. I also like the fact that he's made his own giant bandsaw mill. With it, he mills all his own wood, and he seems like a really nice guy on top of all of that. So I felt like I should do a caricature of Matt Cremona. Matt Cremona. So I just grabbed a photo from his Instagram feed as well as a screen grab from one of his videos. So let's give it a go.